to get it at the starting point. But we have to pave the way before getting any action. I mean, we have to add in our educational curriculum subjects about the ancient world in Asia and the ancient world of Egypt and the vicinities. All these starting points, I'm sure that would lead us to get the main target. That means having more about the archaeology in Pakistan and Southeastern Asia, and also the archaeology of one of the oldest civilizations in the world, the Egyptian civilization.
Yeah, thank you very much. Since this conference is related to the British period archaeology of South Asia and in Pakistan, so the British archaeologists also conducted a large number of archaeological explorations in Egypt. So, what role the British archaeologists played in highlighting the ancient Egyptology or the ancient history of Egypt, and particularly the biblical archaeology of Egypt? So what role the British archaeologists played there in highlighting the heritage of Egypt?
Well, no one can deny that British effort, which is still on so far, and we sent students. I'm one of the output of the British experience in archaeology and ancient history, actually. So in this case, we have to appreciate that and to continue with